In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the payment method of cash on delivery to your Odoo website. If you're looking to offer your customers more flexibility in how they pay, adding this option can really enhance their purchasing experience. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to log in to your Odoo account. Make sure you have your administrator credentials handy, as you'll need the right permissions to make changes to your website's configuration. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate your way to the website module. You'll find it on the top navigation bar under Website. This is where you'll configure everything related to your online store. Once you've reached this point, click on the Configuration menu. Under Configuration, you'll see an option labeled Payment Methods. Go ahead and select it. This will bring you to a page where you can manage the different types of payments that your customers can use. Here, you can also see the list of all the methods you currently have set up. Now, what we want to do is set up cash on delivery, which Odoo classifies as a manual payment method. So in the payment methods listing, find an area where it says provider. For this purpose, you're going to set this provider option to either manual or cash on delivery, depending on how exactly it's labeled in your version of Odoo. Selecting this tells the system that you'll handle these transactions manually rather than through an automatic online payment processor. The final step in this process is to enable the payment method you've just set up. Look for the toggle or button that says something like Enable or Activate. Click it so that your changes are saved. Once you have activated the cash on delivery option, it will appear as a payment choice for your customers during the checkout process. Congratulations! You've successfully added cash on delivery to your Odoo website. By providing this payment option, you're accommodating customers who might prefer a traditional method of payment or who might not have access to other forms of online payment. Whether you operate a small boutique or a larger e-commerce store, this added flexibility can contribute to increased customer satisfaction and potentially even drive more sales. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more Odoo tips and tricks to optimize your online business operations. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.